Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are we all doing today? I'm doing great. I am bringing you a mystery box unopening thing today. I was at HMV having a quick look around, and I noticed they do mystery boxes. So I thought I would buy one and see what the hype is, because I have seen these on TikTok. Didn't actually go in specifically looking for these, but I have seen them on TikTok. Multiple different varies of people doing them. But I was in there looking for something else, and then I seen these, and then I was like, oh yeah, they do mystery boxes, so I picked one up. So that's what today's video is going to be. But I just want to give a quick hello to all my subscribers who actually watch my videos. I am actually 13 away from hitting 800 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you. I would love to hit 800 subscribers by the end of August. We've just came into August. Can you believe we have just came into August? This year is flying by. So I just want to say hello to all of you and thank you for subscribing, and hello to all the future people that subscribe to my channel. You are not just subscribers, you are people. And I just want to say hello to Caroline, Karen, Eve, who else? Sophie, Wendy, Jackie, Margaret, all those people who comment on my videos and just say hello, basically. There's so many more of you, and you are not just a subscriber, you are people, and I enjoy replying to your comments. So thank you to all of you. And yeah, can I hit 800 subscribers by the end of August? Now, let's get into this unboxing. Now, these boxes, I haven't actually seen this box before. I've seen, they have actually do 4 different designs of the boxes. There's like 2 standard cardboard box colour with red writing and blue writing. And then there's these. There was this one, and I think the other box was yellow. So they are £9.99, and it says a minimum retail value of £25. Pop culture, licensed merchandise, products from TV, film, music, gaming, and much, much more. So, complete mystery. There is just literally nothing else on the box. It's not heavy, but it's not light. It's mediocre. So, let's get into it. Some of the things that I've seen like on these TikToks, some of them have been really good boxes, but some of them have just been a complete flop, and I'm like, you've wasted your money. So, what have we got? Shall I show you first? That is what's in. Can you see what's in? Don't know. Is that frozen? Oh, it's somewhat frozen. So first we have is it diving? It is a notebook, so it's kind of like one of those 3D notebooks. So it is frozen. Is it frozen too? It's just frozen. Got Elsa and what's her name? Is that even out? Yeah, that's Elsa, isn't it? Elsa and her sister. Oh, and Olaf is on the back. Got snowflakes inside, and it's just stripy paper, lined paper inside. Don't know if I'll keep this for myself. I will see if my niece likes Frozen. If she does, then she has got a notebook to write all of her future plans in. So, first item is a notebook. Second item is this. It's like one of those thermal bottles. So, I've got a Game of Thrones flask. This is one of those good ones. It's a metal one. Game of Thrones themed. Screw on top. Don't know why I'm sniffing it. This is okay, actually. I do like Game of Thrones, but I haven't caught up with the last couple of seasons. So that's something I really should do. You know what? At a guess, I'd put that as a 5. This I'd say about £10, would you say? So that's £15 so far. That is a good quality. This feels good quality, so I'm happy with that. I might use this just like it'll be okay to keep in the fridge at work, I think. Especially in this heat, I've been drinking so much water at work. So I may switch my plastic bottle I've got in the fridge at work to this. So I've got a bottle. Shall we see what else is in the box? This is really going to be a short little video, but I thought, you know what, I like mystery boxes, and I hope you like mystery boxes, so this is a mystery box unopening video. So next, I have another Game of Thrones item. This is a 3D metal keychain. So I'm going to open it to show you better. This is like a medallion coin, which says Game of Thrones on it, on both sides. Just a box standard keyring. Don't know if I'll use it myself, but I'll ask around to see if anyone wants a Game of Thrones keyring, and if they say yes, then I'll give them this. And oh, that's hurting my eyes. The fourth item is one of these. I don't even know what you call it. Then pictures will change like shape and colour. It is a SpongeBob SquarePants. I can't look at it direct. Can you know what they are, don't you? It's just a cardboard plastic thingy. Another thing, I might see if my niece likes SpongeBob. If she does, she can stick this on a wall, because that is really affecting my eyes. Last but not least, that's it. Is another one of those pictures of women sitting on a beach. Oh, it's not a beach, it's a poolside. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 women. Well, the backs of women sitting. I'm presuming their legs are in the pool. It says Pink Floyd back catalogue. Oh, the backs is Pink Floyd a singer or band? I've heard of Pink Floyd. I'm terrible, I know. And they've played on words because it's like women's backs, and I'm presuming the illustrations on the ladies' backs may be CD covers of Pink Floyd, and that's producing back catalogues. So I like that play on words. As I say, it's not my cup of tea, so if you want this, let me know and I could post it to you. And that is the last item in the box. In total, I would say the value is worth £9.99, but £25, I don't think so. Especially none of the stuff I'd actually buy. It was a fun little video. Don't regret doing it, because like, you never know, there could have been a great something in a box. But yes, if you've tried any of these mystery boxes yourself, let me know down below what have you got. Did you think it was worth it? I personally, this box wasn't really for me, but again, it's a mystery box. You can never know because it's a mystery. But yes, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone who subscribes to my channel, supports me. All you lovely people out there, a huge thank you. So I'm going to wrap it up here. And I hope to see you in the next video. So, thank you. It's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. And stay sassy.